Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to an office clean with me. My office is a disaster, so I'm gonna take a little bit of time today and clean it, and I figured that I would film it for you guys. So that is what this video is, and let's just get started. First, I'm gonna show you guys how crazy it looks, and then we are gonna get it together. All right, so real quickly, this is the overview. We've got like a mess going on here, a mess there, everywhere a mess. Lots of mess here. Lots of stuff here. Just everything is kind of a complete disaster. So I think I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to get this together, just kind of work my way around. That's normally what I do. So if you like cleaning videos, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. First thing that I am doing is picking up all these random papers. For some reason, this is the section of my office where I throw random to-do lists. I have messed up sticker sheets, just stuff that could be thrown away, and apparently I just didn't. I just threw them all right here. I don't know why this is the area where I just throw stuff like that, but anyway, that's the first thing I'm doing, is just picking up all of these random lists and to-do notes and all of that stuff. Next, I am taking my Mrs. Meyer's, I believe this is the apple, I don't remember the exact name of it, but it is like the apple scent that they have, the fall like apple scent, and I really love it. So I'm just using that to wipe everything down, and then I am kind of moving my sticker stock back over and kind of trying to organize it. Then I'm going to this, what are these things called? These little cubbies. And I am picking up all the mess on there. I like to use the top of this, like when I have orders, I will lay everything out so I can see everything, but it also just became an area where I just put random pieces of trash and extra stickers, and it just was not organized at all. I don't know what was going on. I know I had a couple of busy weeks, and I feel like when I get really busy, it's very easy to just kind of throw things wherever. So let me know if you're a sticker shop owner or any sort of business owner and you have the same problem when things get really busy. It's just complete chaos and nothing is where it needs to be. Let me know in the comments below if you are like that too. I seriously hate even showing this, but yes, this table also became an area where just stuff collected here. I don't know why this office was such a disaster, and I'm not really sure what past Rachel was thinking, but at least we're getting it together now is really all I can say. But yeah, there was just a lot of extra trash and paper and stickers that didn't print correctly and all of that fun stuff right here on this table. But I'm really excited because I cleaned off this table and I've been using it to put my laptop whenever I'm editing videos, and I feel like it's making me more productive because I'm not like sitting on the couch editing a video, but I sit right here and I look out the window and I edit a video, and it just makes me very, very happy. So yeah, but I'm just ashamed that you guys even have to see the horrible mess and the state that my office was in. So as you can see, I have 6 cutting machines, but I know in like my most recent vlogs, you've only been seeing 2 of them work. And I wanted to explain that just because I do get questioned on it, like, why do you have so many if you don't use them all? And it's because the other 4 are just like such a problem. And so I've got to have James like sit down when he has time and look at them and figure them out again, because for some reason they just don't want to work together. I don't know. They don't like playing nice with me, and it irritates me. So I end up using the 2 that I know are gonna do what I need them to do, especially when I'm really busy. I don't have time to like fight with machines. The one above the 2 machines that are working, it was working completely fine. So I was using those 3 and it was fine. But for some reason it has started to act stupid too. So I don't know. It like doesn't want to cut the bottom of the page, which is a problem that I was having with another one of my machines. And literally I've tried everything that everyone suggested and it still doesn't want to cut the bottom right hand of the page. So I have no idea. So that is why you only really see me use 2 of the machines when I have 6 of them. I'm hoping to get all 6 of them running again soon, but I just haven't had time. James hasn't had time to sit down and look at them. So yeah, and right now I can function on 2 and it's fine, but it's not like ideal, but it's fine. But I wanted to say that because I feel like I get comments about that a lot. And like, what's funny is most of them are like nice, right? But then sometimes people are like really rude about it. And I'm like, why do you care? Why do you care what I'm doing? But anyway, I just wanted to explain that because I'm sure people are curious, but that's why. It's just because those machines are not working correctly right now. So it's better to just ignore them, and maybe when James has time, he can get them working again. To finish off this clean with me, I am going to vacuum. As you can see in this clip, I'm just vacuuming this room. I absolutely love this vacuum, and I know I get some comments about it. I love it. We've had it for about a year now, and I just think it works really well. So I do have it linked in my Amazon shop if you guys are interested in checking it out, but I highly recommend this or just any stick vacuum. I feel like it makes it a lot easier to vacuum your house when there's no cords involved, you know? So yeah, just finishing up by vacuuming up the office. Okay guys, so this is what the office is looking like now. It looks so nice and clean, and I'm so excited about it. I do think that I want to rearrange my office, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it. I will definitely do an office rearrange type of video if/when I decide to make changes, but I'm just not crazy about this setup. I kind of miss having my computer on this like corner piece. So I don't know, I might like move those machines here and those machines here maybe and see how I like that. I don't really know, but I just know I'm not crazy about this setup, so we'll see what happens. But for now, I love that it's all clean and feels nice and fresh. So if you guys want to see more cleaning videos, more specific like sticker shop clean with me videos, I will have them linked somewhere in this video so you can check those out. But that is gonna wrap up today's clean with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.